In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Stripe from Zoho Books. If you connected Stripe to Zoho Books for test transactions, tried it temporarily, or simply don't need that feed anymore, removing it is quick and tidy when you know where to look. I'll walk you through each click and share a few pointers so you avoid surprises. First, open your browser and head to books.zoho.com. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that with the account that has access to your organization. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Banking. This is where Zoho Books organizes all your bank feeds and payment gateway accounts, including Stripe. On the banking page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Active Accounts. This area lists every connected account that's currently feeding data into your books. Take a moment to scan the list and locate the Stripe account. It will typically be named Stripe or show the Stripe logo, which makes it easier to spot if you have multiple accounts connected. Click on the Stripe account to open or highlight it. You'll notice a small gear icon associated with this account. Depending on your layout, it might appear to the right of the account name or in the account detail pane. That gear icon is where the account-specific actions live. Click the gear icon, and from the options that appear, choose Delete. Zoho Books will usually ask you to confirm this action in a pop-up. Read the confirmation message carefully, then confirm to proceed. This removes the Stripe connection from Zoho Books. It does not delete your actual Stripe account. It only disconnects it from your books, which is perfect if you're cleaning up old or test connections. A few quick tips as you finalize this. If the delete option is dimmed or you see an error, it may mean there are pending or unmatched transactions associated with the Stripe feed. In that case, finish matching or excluding those items first, then return to the gear icon and delete. Also, if you manage multiple organizations in Zoho Books, make sure you're in the correct one before deleting so you don't remove the wrong connection. And that's it. You went to books.zoho.com, opened banking, found your active accounts, selected your Stripe account, clicked the gear icon, and chose delete to remove it. If you ever need Stripe again, you can reconnect it later from the same banking area. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your Zoho Books workspace clean and organized.